I believe it's the 17th of September, 2023. We are starting the project that is the sandworm. And lady's out in the yard. There she is. Waiting for me to grab a car battery for weight. We're going to use this great stuff to glue the foam blocks together so we can carve the head out of it. Whoa.
I don't think we need it to be that close together. It expands a lot.
Don't need it to be that close?
We're just kind of gluing together.
Think that'll work?
I think that's more than enough.
Right here I need to mention that the car battery idea was great as a gravity weight clamp. These blocks came shifted. The one stayed good. The other one was shifted like 6 inches. I had to shift it back and take the weight off of it because it was actually too much for it. Part of it is there's foam in there too. So that'll hopefully drip out of there. This is what I want to use to clean your stuff too.
I feel like it's probably hot enough.
Alright, what angle? Thanks.
That one.
What about angle of it, I guess?
Yep.
You're right. It's probably too hot. Wow, that went on good though. You're right. I'll take your advice next time. It was too hot. I thought it was gonna like...
I feel like it's probably hot enough.
I guess I didn't know what I thought. Just got done mixing monster mud for my wife. It was 5 parts drywall mud to 1 part exterior paint. This is all-purpose joint compound. And this is exterior. Oops, I need to clean these tools before I get started on my project again. During Halloween time, when you don't run your heater yet, you got the monster studio in the bathroom. But you gotta do what you gotta do, right?
this.
Nice.